Hi, welcome back to my channel. Today we will talk about a new product. That product is from the brand Balance. This is the name of the product. Skin Smoothing Retinol Cream. Let's start it. Our Skin Smoothing Retinol Cream is expertly formulated to deliver smoother, brighter, and healthier skin. Perfect for retinol beginners, this gentle yet effective cream helps tackle multiple skin concerns while minimizing the risk of irritation. What makes it special? Gentle retinol. Contains 0.5% retinol palmitate, the most gentle form of retinol, effective in improving skin texture and reducing signs of aging. Hydrating formula, enriched with shea butter and vegetable glycerin to deeply moisturize and nourish the skin. Powerful active ingredients. 0.5% vitamin E, protects and hydrates the skin. 4% niacinamide, brightens skin, evens out tone, and reduces scars and dark spots. Palmitoyl tripeptide 1, boosts collagen production, enhancing skin elasticity. Suitable for beginners, designed for a lower risk of irritation, making it ideal for those new to retinol. What's inside? Complete ingredients list. Aqua, shea butter, propylene glycol, vegetable glycerin, cetyl alcohol, beeswax, glycol monostearate, vitamin B3 niacinamide, carbomer, triethanolamine, alpha-tocopherol vitamin E, retinol palmitate, sodium hyaluronate, isopropyl myristate, carboxymethylcellulose, palmitoyl tripeptide 1, disodium EDTA, sodium benzoate, phenoxyethanol. How to use it? When? At night PM routine, after cleansing. Where? Apply to a clean, dry face. How? Apply a pea-sized amount to your face. Follow up with a moisturizer. Always use sunscreen during the day when using retinol. Caution. Do not mix with AHA or BHA products. For beginners or sensitive skin, start with twice-a-week usage, gradually increasing frequency. Not suitable for pregnant or lactating women. Patch test before use. Store in a cool, dry place away from sunlight. What it does? Smooths wrinkles and fine lines. Boosts collagen production for firmer skin. Unclogs pores to prevent breakouts. Brightens the complexion. Fades dark spots, acne scars, and hyperpigmentation. Key ingredients. Retinol 0.5% retinol palmitate. Niacinamide vitamin B3. Palmitoyl tripeptide 1. Vitamin E. Shea butter. Who it's for? Suitable for individuals in their late teens to early 30s. Targets: fine lines, wrinkles, acne scars, dark spots, and pigmentation. Price: 1,900 rupees tax included. Quantity: 50 milliliters. Customer review. This product has been highly praised for its effectiveness, gentle formulation, and noticeable results in improving skin texture and tone. A must-try for beginners and skincare enthusiasts alike. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you next time.